Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Faris Aulia Ramadan with name 2024-065, number PC21. Here I will explain about practical report for statistic and probability. First of all, we go into the theory report. Theory report. What is number one? What is mean by hypothesis testing in statistics and why is it important? Hypothesis testing is a statistical procedure used to evaluate assumptions or claims about a population based on sample data. This test is important because it helps researchers make decisions based on statistical evidence rather than just opinion or institution. With hypothesis testing, we can scientifically determine whether a statement, example, population mean, should be accepted or rejected. Number two, explain the difference between the null hypothesis H0 and the alternative hypothesis H1 and provide an example. The null hypothesis is a statement assumed to be true unless there is convincing evidence to the contrary. It usually assumes that there is no effect in the population and that the observed data are occur by chance. The alternative hypothesis is a statement that contradicts the null hypothesis and is accepted as true only if there is strong evidence. It usually assumes there is an effect in the population, and then the observed data did not occur by chance. Example, the effect of advertising on sales. H0, there is no difference in effect between online and print and on product sales. H1, there is a difference effect between online and print and on product sales. Number three, what is the p-value? How is the p-value used in decision making during hypothesis testing? The p-value is the probability of obtaining a test statistic result at least as extreme as the one observed, assuming that the null hypothesis is true. If the p-value is less than the significant level, then H0 is rejected. The smaller the p-value, the stronger the evidence against H0. Number four, explain the difference between a one-child and two-child test. When should each type of test be used? Two-child test used to detect a difference regardless of the direction, whether is positive or negative. The alternative hypothesis use the symbol not same. On-child test use when there is a specific directional expectation greater or smaller. The alternative hypothesis use the symbol sig big and sig small. Number five, what are the basic assumptions that must be made before performing the test? Why is it important to check dash assumptions. Assumption for a test. Data must be normally distribution. Variance between groups must be equal. Homogeneous. Data must be independent. And data must be independent too. Number 6. Why is it important to formulate a hypothesis before conducting data analysis? What are the consequences of analyzing data without a clear hypothesis? Formulating a hypothesis provides direction and focus for the analysis. Without a hypothesis, the analysis may become biased, unstructured, and lead to conclusions that are not scientifically uncountable. Without a hypothesis, there is a risk of drawing incorrect conclusions from the data. Okay. Laporan praktikum. Number 1, the institution estimates the average study duration of students is 5 hours. 1 calculate the mean, standard deviation, and the value manually. Explanation the same. Mean 11736. This is the calculate the statistical using the formula. DF same 11. This is the degrees of freedom calculated by the formula. And mean 1 same 12 mean 1 same 11. P-value same 0.1105. This is the probability of obtaining this result if H0 is true, because P sign big 0.005. H0 is not rejection. Mean of x same for x. This is the sample mean of study durations. Confidence interval same 4.746 50299. This is the 95% confidence interval for the population mean. Since the value 5 is within this interval, there is insufficient evidence to reject H0. Okay. Number 2, perform hypothesis testing. H0 U same 5. H1 not same 5. 1 3. Use a two child. This is a factor of 12 duration value. these values are considered a sample from a population. Null hypothesis H0, the average study duration with the new method equals the institutional standard H0 SEM5. SEM5. Alternative hypothesis H1, the average study duration with the new method differs from the institutional standard H1, not SEM5. Alternative two-sided means it is a two-tiled test. This is used when we want to determine whether there is a difference between two groups, regardless of the direction of the difference. Number 2, use the before and after columns to answer. To 1, create individual line visualization per student from their before and after scores. Matplotlib is a Python library that provides various functions to create static, animate, and interactive visualization in different formats. It supports various types of plots, including line, scatter, bar, histogram, and more. 2. Perform hypothesis testing. H0 SEM 0, H1 not SEM 0. 3. Determine whether the result is significant and explain statistical. Null hypothesis, the average difference is equal to 0. Alternative hypothesis, the average difference is not equal to 0. Type B indicates both points and lines are short. PCH SEMS 19 solid circle symbol for the points. Column SEM 1 like before, assign different colors to each individual. Number 3, combine the columns method A and method B into a new data frame colon data method. 3.1 Visualize using a box plot. Uh, 3.2 Perform an independent sample test to determine whether there is a significant difference between the two learning methods. Method A, method B, two value factors being compared. Parent samples indicate the data for method A and B are not pair independent. Alternative seamless one-child test, where the alternative hypothesis is that the mean of method A sin small b. Null hypothesis, there is not different or method A score is the same or greater than method B. Alternative hypothesis, method A scores is lower than method B. 3. Use cities with parent first. Okay. Thanks for all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.